Alright, so today's STEM activity is we want to make a volcano eruption experiment. Alright, so the materials you need to carry out this experiment is a modeling clay, baking soda, and also vinegar. So first step you have to do is you have to shape this modeling clay or plasticine into a volcano shape. And then second one is you need the baking soda. Okay, put some baking soda at the center of the volcano like this. And then I have some colored vinegar. I put some coloring, the red coloring, to mimic the color of volcano of lava. And then I mix the vinegar and the baking soda like this. So as you can see, it erupts like lava there. Alright, so that's the second experiment for you to do. Okay, so I'm looking forward for your written video and see you next time.